What's up, guys? In the mail, I got today something from a little craft brewery out in Cincinnati, Ohio, called Urban Artifact. Urban Artifact is a brewery out of Cincinnati, Ohio, that specializes in fruited and sour beers. Recently, in the midst of the pandemic, they have started to do online ordering and shipment to Ohio, Vermont, New Hampshire, Nebraska, North Dakota, Oregon, Virginia, the District of Columbia, and Nevada. So now they're offering direct shipping for beer, free shipping on orders of over $60 in Ohio, over $70 in the East Coast, and over $100 in Oregon and Nevada, we get free shipping. So that's pretty awesome. But if you don't meet the free shipping requirement, they offer a flat rate shipping fee of $14.99. So I have had Urban Artifact before. You've probably seen it if you follow me on Instagram. I think they make really good sour and fruited beers, and so I was more than happy to spend a little over $100 to get that free shipping. I always feel like when I order beer online, I need to get exactly what I want, and just sort of take advantage of having to ship the beer because it's not cheap whatsoever. So we're going to do an unboxing. We're going to see how they packaged it. We're going to see what I got. And yeah, let's go ahead and do it. Going to be careful here because I've had some bad experiences in the past going a little too deep in opening the box. I will say right off the bat that it's nice that they put a fragile sticker, assuming that the shipping company is careful when they get a fragile sticker. If you've heard the rumors about how a fragile sticker makes it more likely to be hurt, but getting this box, it was very well packaged. Wow, okay. So they did packing peanuts. This is absolutely the first time I've ever got beer online or shipped to me in packing peanuts. Tavour does use gridded separators from corrugated cardboard, and that does a really well job. But this is the first time I've gotten a package where everything is in shipping package peanuts. Let's cut this guy off. Okay, so I've removed the corners of the box. We can get a better look at everything. Okay, so if we pull this back a little bit, so there's a ton of packing peanuts. So I brought another box in to get some of them out of the way. I do appreciate the sentiment, but it is a little bit annoying. Okay, let's see. I think I got enough out of the way. Let's peel this back. So they use some bubble wrap as well. I mean, it's, this is probably the most pretty job I've ever gotten. Oh, okay, so they sent some stickers. That's pretty cool. Those are actually pretty cool stickers. Let's see if we can get some more of this kind of out of the way. And here we go. So here's my first bottle. Put that there. Some packing paper. Okay, here we go. Now we can get to the beer. The key punch, it's a key lime goza, or goes, however you pronounce it. A 4-pack of their gyroscope. There's so much going on here. Okay. More packing paper. Wow, they really care about the shipping on this. This is awesome because everything else I've gotten has either been either slightly divided in a box, like slightly divided, nothing too crazy going on, or one time I just got this big box and there was only like 6 beers at the bottom just strewn around, and fortunately none of them had been destroyed, but it didn't instill in me a lot of confidence in the company. So here is the Epicurean Strawberry Iced Tea. They recently started selling this on Tavour. Put that there. Let's move some other stuff around. Got the other bottle. Yet another bottle. A 6-pack of their Spyglass. A 4-pack of their Brut Fruit Tart Ale. These cans seem to be a little dented on kind of the same section, so I find that kind of odd. I don't think that was done in this part of the process of packaging. This was probably done in the warehouse, but it's not that big of a deal. It's not going to impact flavor. That's pretty much the only defects I've seen so far. Here we have the Celebration Grapes Tart. This is also a fruit tart ale. Brut Fruit Tart Ale. So you can see they're small 4-pack cans, but they're also over 10%. This one is 12% alcohol. Let's see. No, I should have more here. Okay. And then we have the Pinwheel Orange Goza. Or Goes, however you pronounce it. Okay. Okay. And then we have a lot of packaging peanuts and more packaged paper. All right, so we have them all here. I think they knocked it out of the park in packaging, hands down. Probably a little too much in some cases. What I do appreciate for sure is the fact that they put the bottles in the bubble wrap. A couple of these are vintages, 4 or 5 year vintages of the beer. For example, this is a 2015 Calliope from Urban Artifact, so we definitely don't want that to get destroyed at all. Same goes for this Beertastic. It's a boysenberry. And same goes for this Trilobite, this sour ale. 166 out of 311 in the bottle. The bottle itself here is a little... the bottle itself here has some sort of stickiness, some residue to it, so I'm guessing it had been in the warehouse and there might have been an explosion or some sort of breakage and it got the bottles a little dirty, but that's not a big deal. It's still a beautiful bottle. I think that's really great. So we've got a fine set of beers. We have 3 6-packs, 2 of their Brut Tart Ales. So those are little 8-ounce, 10-ouncers. 8-ounce. These are little 8-ounce packages. And then we have a 16-ounce 4-pack of their Epicurean. Right now, this is going for about $9 a can on Tavour, and this was about $14 for a 4-pack straight from them, so definitely a good deal there. And then we have a 4-pack of 12-ounce from the Gyroscope, which is a raspberry Midwest fruit tart. So we have some really cool beers. I'm really excited to drink them. So I'm really excited about trying all these beers. What's great about the canned ones is it provides some information on consuming it. For example, the Key Punch mentions this is not a cellaring beer, drink fresh. And yeah, they provide information on each beer on the can and how to drink it. For example, this one has a lot of fruit, so they recommend turning the can over before opening it and pouring it so it's evenly distributed. The stickers they sent, they're Urban Artifact stickers. If you haven't noticed by the bottles, they if you haven't noticed, they have prehistoric animals as the label. I think this is a great investment if you want to. This here for me was about $150. The obviously more expensive pieces were the bottles, which didn't get over $20, and the 6-packs were about 10. The 4-packs were 14 to 18, and so as you can see, you add them all up, it kind of gets around there. I'm very excited about drinking these beers, and so if you would like to see any of these beers, I will be doing a few featured pours on Wednesday, and you can follow my Instagram and you can see pictures of these beers poured out. I hope this was helpful for you in deciding whether you should order something online from Urban Artifact. Unfortunately, they do not ship to all 50 states, but if you are in one of the states I mentioned at the beginning of this video, they will ship to you. And if you meet certain margins and costs, they'll ship to you for free. Again, if you don't meet any of those above the margin that they set for you, you can pay $15 and it'll be shipped to you. I think it's a really good value. You get quite a bit, especially these hard to find beers from Cincinnati, Ohio. If you can't tell, I'm a Bengals fan, so I was really excited to get something from Cincinnati. I'd like to visit there one of these days. Top-notch packaging, and top-notch beers that I'm really excited to taste. If you like this video, go ahead and smash that like button. Hit it as hard as you possibly can. If you dislike this video, please feel free to hit the dislike button twice if you're really angry. And I hope you subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.